Today's topic is my favorite one, which is most essential and important for investment purpose. But just after hearing about this topic, you will blindly have some preloaded thoughts in your mind. They are, it's gambling, we will lose all the money and we don't get even the capital that we have invested. So I think you have already got a topic in mind. Friends, yes, this is which you have expected, that is stock market. See friends, such a bad opinion was created about this topic, especially in Indians. Is that bad opinion really true? To know the reasons, facts and importance of stock market, watch the video completely. Hi friends, myself Shiva from Allfins. We are the authorized sales partner to the largest stockbroker in the country, Zerodha. Also, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance and Star Health Insurance. Our aim is to raise your financial awareness through the videos we make on behalf of Allfins channel. Please subscribe to Allfins YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page to achieve financial freedom. Why late? Let's begin the topic. Let us see the reasons for creating such bad opinion. Having no idea on stock market. It means a person with zero knowledge are creating some rumors on stock market. Investing without a discipline and over trading result in losses. Investing in companies without doing fundamental and technical research. Having more greed. This is keeping trust on faulty market players and expecting very huge returns in short term. Like invested capital becomes double in just one day, 1 week and 1 month. Not updating with the technology by ignoring modern investment products and still following old traditional way of investment. Most importantly, the agents who are selling other products are misguiding the people by expecting more commission. For example, the commission offered to agents in stock market and mutual fund products are just in rupees, whereas the commission offered to agents who sell other products that could be investment related or life protection plans will get in thousands and lakhs. These are some of the reasons among many that created bad opinion on stock market. There are some facts about stock market should be known by every person who are having bad opinion on it as well as who are interested in investment side. If there is no stock market, the whole economy of the world will stop and becomes financial turmoil. But stock market continues even the whole world stops. Like recently we have seen pandemic COVID-19. During this time, almost all the countries imposed lockdown and all the companies, factories and industries were shut down. This is because every nation's economy is interlinked to growth of each companies listed on exchanges. Next, the fund manager invests the money in different companies listed in stock exchanges, directly or indirectly that you pay for fixed deposits or insurance in any banks or financial institutions. This is because to give assured and guaranteed returns to your investments, they need to get more returns. So, these more returns are possible only in two ways. First, one by the regular business of charging high interest rates on loans, and secondly by investing money in good fundamental companies listed on stock exchanges. Of course, you might get one doubt, that is why such profitable or money making markets fall sometimes or crashes. Yes, your doubts are rational. This is because there are some reasons for such fall and crash. The reasons are sometimes every nation faces slowdown in economic growth and which may be result of financial crisis. War expectations between two or more nations. Due to major health problems seen mostly during pandemic disease like COVID-19, at the time of elections and during the company annual declarations time. At this moment, investors get into panic and book profits to prevent further losses and to protect their capital by selling their stakes from companies. All of a sudden, such money withdrawal from stock market results in huge fall and crash. But once all issues are fixed, markets will stabilize and comes into normal condition also. In addition to that, it gives huge returns. We will see some examples for fall and recovery in markets. Over past 100 years, the major stock market crashes are Great Depression in 1929, Black Monday in 1987, dot-com bubble burst in 2001, financial crisis in 2008, and recently in 2020, the pandemic COVID-19. During all these times, market got crashed and recovered over a period of time with potential gains. Recently in 2020, in March, the markets has fallen to almost 50%. But the persons who are invested in March 2020, they got 100% returns just in 1 year. As well as coming to Indian indices. BSE Sensex in April 1979, it started with 100 basis points and now it is with 49,000 points by April 2021. NSE Nifty in April 1996, it started with 1000 basis points. and now it is with 14,500 points by April 2021. The average returns of these two indices since inception are BSE 16.5% returns per annum and NSE 11% returns per annum. Not only this, all the companies with good fundamentals gave superb returns to that of indices, and these superb returns turned many disciplined investors into crorepati's. For this, we will look for some of the companies that we are regularly see and hear in our daily life. First, banking sector. HDFC Bank. In 1995, it started with 40 rupees per share and now it is with 1400 rupees per share by April 2021. Second, IT sector. Infosys. In 1993, it started with 95 rupees per share and now it is with 1350 rupees per share by April 2021. Third, paint sector. Asian Paints. In 2000, it started with 16 rupees per share and now it is with 2600 rupees per share by April 2021. In relate to this, by browsing, I have shown a proof here. Please look into that. Fourth, tire sector. MRF. In 1994, it started with just 11 rupees per share and now it is with 80,000 rupees per share by April 2021. In 1994, if you have invested just 10,000 rupees in MRF company, you would have bagged crores of rupees by now. Please look at the proof shown here. Fifth, refinery sector. Reliance. In 2000, its share value is at 75 rupees and now it is with 2000 rupees per share by April 2021. In 1978, if you have invested 1000 rupees in Reliance company, it would be around 7,78,000 rupees by today. Please look at the proof shown here. Now friends, please tell wholeheartedly, investing in stock market with proper discipline and patience is good or bad. Let us see some bitter facts. However, even by today, there are some things which surprise me and even you if you hear at them. They are people by having trust at banks like SBI, ICICI, HDFC and Axis banks, they do fixed deposits and take insurance for life protection. But they do not buy the shares which belongs to same banking companies. During health issues, people take tablets and syrups by trusting at medicine manufacturing companies like Dr. Reddy, Cipla and Sun Pharma. And also during treatment time, they trust famous private hospitals like Apollo Hospitals and successfully recover from health problems. But they do not buy the shares which belongs to same pharma companies. Okay, ignore. Hoping you are not interested in above banking and pharma companies. But why don't you trust the companies that are part and parcel of our daily life? That is the products and goods we use in daily life. Say for mouth fresheners like toothpaste and liquids, cleansers like body soaps and detergents, wearable dresses, 2 and 4-wheeler vehicles in transportation, petrol and diesel that helps in the running of those vehicles, mobile phones in communication, SIM and their networks used in that mobiles, information and entertainment based televisions, network connections and their channels, air conditioners, coolers, fans used when sweating and power supply to run those machines. Not only these, we have many more in our daily life. Say for gas connection for cooking, ingredients used in preparation of foods like cooking oils, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and all varieties of dals. Also edible vegetables, fruits and pesticides used to get good crop. If I keep on saying like this, there will be endless list of goods that we use in our daily life from morning wake up till night sleep. And all these goods and products are directly or indirectly belongs to the companies that are listed in stock market. Then why don't you have trust in those companies and buy the shares? Do you think that the companies we see and hear in our daily life and the companies listed in stock market are not same? With change in time and advancement in technology, we need to upgrade ourselves. And to have bright future with respect to money, we need to invest at least 25% of savings in modern products like stocks and mutual funds. Till now, I have discussed about facts, importance and returns accrued on stock market. Now, let us see what exactly stock market is. Stock market is a place or platform where we can buy and sell the company shares which are listed in stock exchanges. Just look at the process of stock market and how it works. Every company is required of huge capital for its growth and expansion. So, in order to raise capital, companies comes into public with name IPO, initial public offer. The money thus raised from public is invested in its own business. The proportionate company shares are allotted to each individual demat account to the extent of amount invested in the company. Once the shares are allotted to our demat account, we have the right to sell those shares at any time during market hours. The share price changes with the change in demand and supply to that particular company. It means if the company is fundamentally strong, demand increases, thereby share price increases. In same manner, if the company is fundamentally weak, then more number of sellers comes into play and demand decreases, thereby share price decreases. To explain you in simple words, the prices of vegetables that we eat fluctuates in change with season. I mean during summer, winter and rainy seasons the prices are different. Anyway, you know the reason for such fluctuations in prices. As in the same way, company share prices also fluctuates during company's annual declaration, dividend issue, bonus issue, rights issue, share split, merging and demerging at the time of raising capital and during change in management time. We see fluctuations in share. Friends, last, in entire world, not only in stock market, but in any other investment product, if you wish to get good returns, you need to have proper discipline and patience along with some research. Stock market is not get rich quick scheme. To get success in stock market, follow the market direction and don't try to time the markets. Finally, do remember, greed is the biggest enemy for stock market. So never ever be greedy in stock market. People who are interested in investments, please find the link in the description box to open account instantly. From one platform, you can invest in stocks and mutual funds. Friends, I hope you are clear with the topic. If so, please like and share the video. Also, subscribe to Alfin's YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page. Moreover, if you have any doubts about financial products, please don't hesitate to post your query in the comment box and click on the bell symbol next to each video to receive future uploaded video notifications. Thank you.